Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable startup programs and applications from automatically starting when your Windows XP computer boots up. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, select Run, type in msconfig, msconfig, select OK. Select the Startup tab, and then you would disable any startup applications in here by just unchecking the box next to it, and then you would select Apply and OK. Please note, I normally would not recommend disabling antivirus software, but most programs can be disabled safely in here, and you can always come back in and re-enable them by check marking the box next to the startup item, and select Apply and OK. So again, Apply and OK in order to save the change, and you will have to restart your system for the changes to take effect, so select Restart. There you go, guys. You can uncheck this option to turn off this notification to system configuration utility in the future. It just will tell you that certain applications were turned off. Just check mark the box and select OK. And that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.